Iron fine powder is iron ore after crushing, grinding, mineral processing into the ore powder. Iron fine powder ball press is simple in structure but can play a larger role. The equipment is very stable. The overall rigidity is strong. Inclined iron pressure structure, mainly used in non-hydraulic constant pressure ball press. Convenient structure adjustment will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the lead screw inclined iron downward movement, backloading another piece of inclined iron to provide a fixed thrust to the floating roller so that the press roller long-term normal work on the frame is installed with reaction spring device and sliding track. Iron fine powder ball press. If the pressure is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible telescopic to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged, to ensure the normal operation of mechanical equipment.